over here you can see that I got a few presentation slides. So if I were to click on present right here, what happens is that I get this, as you can see, and then I have this slide right here. If I were to click right button right here, you can see that content 2 appears. Let's say I want to skip the content 2, but I do not want to delete the slide. So what I can do is I can go ahead, right click over here, and then click on skip slide right here. Once I do that, what happens is that the slide is hidden, but when I present it, it'll be skipped out. So over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the present button. This is the slide that we hidden out, content 2. So we should go directly to content 3. So if I were to click on present right here, what happens is that I get my first slide right here, as you can see. So I'm just going to go around right here, press the right arrow key on my keyboard. What happens is that I get straight onto content 3. So now sometimes what happens is that you might want to hide some slides from your presentation for some reason, but you do not want to delete the slide entirely. Then what you can use is the skip slide option to preserve the content but still hide it from your audience. So this is how you can use the skip slide option. So if you guys enjoyed learning as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.